There was a time I couldn't look in the mirror without hearing a voice saying, "Who do you think you are?" Maybe you've been there too. That moment when doubt feels like a weight you can't shake. But what if I told you your confidence isn't gone? It's just waiting for you to reclaim it. And today, I'll show you how. I used to think confidence was for other people. The ones who didn't lie awake replaying mistakes. The ones who didn't feel like a fraud every time they succeeded. But here's what I learned. Confidence isn't about being fearless. It's about refusing to let fear write your story. Let me show you the 3 steps that changed everything for me and thousands of others. Your mind is a storyteller, but sometimes it's a liar. That voice saying, "You're not good enough," it's not the truth. It's a scared child trying to protect you. Here's how to rewrite the story. 1. Name the critic. Give it a silly name when it whispers. You'll fail, laugh, and say, "Thanks for the warnings or panics, but I've got this." 2. Find your proof. Dig up one memory where you were brave. Your past self is rooting for you. Let them speak louder than the critic. Pause this video. Open your notes app. Write one thing you did this week that took courage. Even if it's just I got out of bed. After my darkest year, a therapist told me, your body keeps score. When you slump, you're telling your brain, "I'm small." But when you stand like the hero of your life, your brain believes it. Science calls this power poses. I call it magic. Try this. 1. Lock yourself in the bathroom. Stand like Wonder Woman. Chin up. Hands on hips. Breathe for 2 minutes. 2. Whisper, "I am here. I am enough." Do this every morning. Your body will start to remember what your mind forgot. You are worthy. Confidence isn't built in leaps, it's built in sparks. Every time you do something scary, you add a spark to your jar. One day, you'll realize the light is brighter than the dark. Here's your mission. Every night, write one spark. Not a grand achievement. Just a moment you choose courage over hiding. Stuck? Here's mine from last week. I sent the email I'd been avoiding. Over time, these sparks become a fire no doubt can extinguish. If you're crying right now, that's okay. I did too. Healing isn't pretty, but it's beautiful. You don't have to be fixed to be worthy. You don't have to be perfect to be loved. Confidence isn't a destination. It's a daily choice to show up, even when you're scared. And if you take just one thing from this video, let it be this. You are not alone. And this is your beginning. Comment below. I choose my sparks. Let's build this light together. And if you're ready to go deeper, my book, Believe in Me, is your guide. Check and click the link below.